Welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you know you can earn a huge amount of money by doing little tax? Example, Bitcoin full cent. Some of us don't understand what we mean by full cent here. Bitcoin full cent is when you are giving a little tax, like liking a post, commenting on a post. They paid you in cryptocurrency, or they paid you in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency of your choice, of the one you selected. Let me show you how to make a huge amount of profit from that full cent. Many of us just leave full cent that because of it pays a little token, but I'm here to show you a new strategy how to earn big in this little full cent that you have already known. Stick to this video. If you are new here, comment to our YouTube channel, and every link that I'm going to say on this video, I will leave it down below the description section, so that after watching the video to the end, you go and click the one that I asked you to click. That's the one that will refer you to what you are going to do after learning from this tutorial or video I'm sharing to you now. Stay cool and learn. Don't skip any of this video. Just watch it. Make sure you understand what I'm saying here. Please, English is not my first language. Have to abide with me, with my English. But what I'm here to say is that I'm going to teach you one-on-one on how to earn in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and so on. This is called Tron full cent. Can earn unlimited Tron direct to your address. Look at it. Let me enter my Tron address. I have already copied it. I'm advising you to use full cent pay link address to this website, because they are paying in full cent pay. They pay it directly to your full cent pay. Immediately you claim, click that you are a woman, click the image containing the boats. Very simple. I'm looking for the image that contains the boats. Yes. Verified. Now look at the simple. You see this tiny, see this tiny this thing, letters, words they put there. Number one is best, done, easy and full cent. Then you have to find for the one containing best in these four boxes. The last one is the best. I click on best. The second one, done. The center one is the done. Click on the third one, easy. Click on easy. The full cent. Then please wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, you claim your reward. Get the reward. Very simple and easy. You can do many times as you want. As many times as you want. You can see 224,680 Santoshi has been sent to your full cent pay directly. Easy, very easy. Then go back, Very simple. Click another one. The same, you'll be doing it every time. This one is not wait for 5 minutes or wait for 30 minutes or wait for 1 hour before claiming another one. Let me claim another one immediately. Airplane, looking for the image containing the airplane. Collect. I have those little words: Tron, done, join, and best. Please wait for 10 seconds. You claim another one instantly after the 10 seconds. After claiming, you claim it. You continue to be claiming without restricting you from claiming. Yes, 253,086 Santoshes are sent to your Fucent Pay. Then go back to main menu again. You claim another one. Very easy. Very easy. This one, you are not going to waste any time. As many as you can, as many as you have the strength to claim. You can claim 10,000 times a day if you have the strength. That is what I say, that this can give you 10 Tron every week. 10 Tron every week. You cannot be sleeping hoping to earn Tron. You cannot be sleeping hoping to earn Tron. Try again. Yes. Proof airplane. I have to claim the one containing airplane. Let me be careful this time, because I hate this robot thing. I hate this sort of robot thing. Yes, I have bypassed this one. Look at the first one is well. Unlimited. Claim. Fucent. Wait for another 10 seconds. After we show you to my Fucent account, the one that I created just now. I just created this one for you to see. Very simple. Look at it again. Look at it again. Very simple. 252,000 of. Now let me let the video not to be. Let me make the video not to be too long. This is my Fucent Pay account. Let me refresh. It's a new account. It's a new account. It's still refreshing. It's still refreshing. It's still refreshing. Hey, service. Nigeria with poor network. It's still refreshing. I want to show you from what I received. You can see it. You can see this payout received today. 3. I just do this thing just now. Now. Open this account. Just now. Look at it. Look at it. 1, 2, 3. From the first 3 is what I end now. First 3. Because I end now. Just now that I end this thing. Very simple and easy. No need to waste time. You can earn as many as you want. As many as you want. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you like what you see. I beg, help us and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. For more video of this will come your way.